Hello, everyone. Once again, you're welcome to FTGFX platform. Okay, FTGFX is just a short form of forex trading in Ghana. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can master forex trading as a beginner. So, a lot of people want to become forex trader that they're just struggling. How do I become a master forex trader? One thing I would want to tell you is that we have influencers online, and basically what they do is that most of them don't even trade, but they know how to market the forex trading products. Okay, but for you to become a master forex trader as a beginner, one thing I would want to advise you on is proper education. Okay, do all you can to get access to quality education, and for you to get quality education, you can join us on our platform. On YouTube, we have very good content there that we are not going to sugarcoat anything that we tell you as it is. Yes, education and education, part of the education, you are going to learn three key things that will help you as a trader to become a master trader. I'm talking to the beginners. One is strategies. Okay, so with the strategies, you talk about set of rules that guides you with your entry and exits and all of that. You also need to understand risk management, and risk management has got to do with how much you would want to lose if the trade doesn't go your way, how much you would want to get as a profit if the trade should go your way. And the last thing is trading psychology. And trading psychology has got to do with the mental and emotional parts, or aspects that come to trading whenever you find yourself in the market. So as a beginner, for you to become a master trader, there's three key topics. Okay, they all fall under the education. First, you need education, but under that, you need to understand psychology, risk management, trading strategies. To understand all of these, you can just join us on our platforms. YouTube is Forex Trading in Ghana, Instagram FTG_FX, and all other platforms. The other thing you need to pay very good attention to is education. Funding. Funding. You need good capital to start trading. Okay, for you to be a profitable trader, consistently profitable trader, you need good capital. So people think, oh, there's a get rich quick scheme, and most of the time we do hear that people have losing money, people have lost money, and all of that. Yes, you lose money if you don't have good capital. You lose money because you might be tempted to, double your money in a short time, which, honestly speaking, it's something that can be done, but the sustainability becomes a problem. So, capital. If you want good capital to start your trading journey, you can check out theproptrade.com. Okay, theproptrade.com, and then you get some good monies for yourself. Once again, thank you. Welcome to 2025. See you. Bye bye.